and welcome to the Vincelli channel. So yeah, you guessed it, we are here with the announcement that everyone's been waiting for. So it's quite a significant upgrade. So it's a little upgrade, but it's a big difference. So first of all, this is what you need to do for your upgrade. So what you need to do, if you've got an original system that's been fitted, you can also upgrade it as well. The major upgrade is this, and I'll show you. I'll do it right now. So see your microphone, see these scissors, put it in there like that and chop it and rip it off. I'll sort that out later. But yeah, that's right, your radio now works with your car original factory fitted microphone. So the sound is as factory, really good, fantastic. I've been testing this for a couple of months now, and I've been pushing Sinosmart to develop this, and they've finally come up with this, and it's absolutely brilliant. I supply these. If you need them, contact me direct. Also, you can get them off Sinosmart, but you'll be waiting for shipping. Yeah, absolutely fantastic. Like I say, no more noisy phone calls that these Android head units are well known for. That is of the past now. So please subscribe for future updates, and any questions or comments, drop a message below and I'll get back to you. Thanks guys, I hope you enjoy the update. Oh, also, just as a point, so when you now order these new systems, they come with the cabling already, so you don't have to have an external microphone. It'll come with wired already, so it'll connect to your car microphone. You don't actually have to do anything. So yeah, just a quick one. Thanks guys, and please like and subscribe, and give me encouragement to carry on promoting these Sinosmart units for everyone to enjoy. Thanks very much guys, bye.